I get a feeling there's gonna be a riot.
I don't read the newspapers because they all have ugly prints.
Hi. Today's a day. I'm depressed. Oh yeah! Today's topic of discussion is farting. We all fart. So why is everyone so insecure about doing it in front of people? It's a biological function, as Spenny would say. I was at my grandfather's house a few days back for a pool party. He was letting off rips every 5 seconds in the pool, and of course all the women thought it was disgusting. But not me, or him, or my uncle, or Tom, or Greg, or something, what's his face? We laughed, which is what everyone should do when someone farts. Don't laugh at that. Lizard farts are not funny, they're queer. Not gay, I said queer. If you look at dictionary.com, you can clearly see that it says strange or odd from a conventional viewpoint. Did you know that?
I'm an expert at 2 years old. You can always expect I already know.
Oh god, I'm feeling a bit wheezy. Hey waiter, can you bring me some food? Here you are, sir. Good. Now get to that alligator pit. Wow. Did you know I love it when the coffee's done? Shut up, whale. Alright, David Hasselhoff. Stop smoking with Michael Phelps right now. How do you smoke underwater anyway? Breathing. Don't you just love it? He's Craigity Craig. Craig with the whip. Take me out.